Hey guys, today I will be playing an Ami, and yeah, I think we need to get this one so we can go here. Okay, let's get off here. Oh, this guy just got in my way. Oh, okay, I'll just yeah. Oh no, I died. And I just ate, so my voice kinda sounds weird. Yeah. Oh, could have just done the camera trick. Okay. It's this one. Get green. Wow, this one's easy. Oh. Okay. No. Get up. Oh. Up. No. Okay. Phew. Oh. Okay. This guy says, uh-oh, the artist is huge. Right, he is. Okay, I knew he was gonna eat us. Every obby does this, so it's normal. Oh, and by the way, my mom is watching something, so don't worry about that. And plus, the room is open, so yeah. Oh no. Come on, I need to get here. I need to go over here, shortcut. There we go. Why did I not think of that earlier? Oh, what? Oh. I'm scared. No. Ow. Okay, I'm okay. Finally. Oh, and I know it's random, but I will show you my cats very soon. They're both boys, and they're adorable. So yeah. Probably in the next video. Who knows? How did I die? Wow. Okay. And also, I might be posting on the computer from now on. But I'm not sure. I'd rather just stick to the phone. You know, just more easier. So I don't have to like open my computer and like turn it on all over again. This guy says, care to look at my new masterpiece? Ha 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 ha. Okay, the sun says, that's what his name is. Quickly jump into the paint lane. Okay. Perfect. The painting must been some sort of dungeon. Find a way out. Okay. Ew, this looks gross. Okay. What does this guy say? We are out, but we need to get home. Okay. Ooh, badge. Okay. We did it. Thanks for playing, and be sure to join Sunworks. Okay. Well, that's it for today, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.